Hi, and welcome again with our second video. As I said, I'll show you how to use data tables using with the ASP MVC. So last video, just I show you how to add data, how we add these models here. After that, we add our interfaces and our repositories. Where's repositories? Should be here. This one. We add some data here, fake data, as we said, just to read them in our controller. So in our controller, we add this data here. We declare our data and constructor. After that, in index action result, we send from here we send our data to our HTML page. This normal HTML page generated by ASP MVC, nothing new here, just to show you the difference between data tables and this one. This one, as you see here, you can't do anything. You don't have no filtering, no search box, no paging. You should write all of them by yourself. So if you're gonna use now data tables, there is many ways how to use it. They put in main website. You can see how many ways. What I will use today, I will use AJAX. Data source will be object. Okay. What you will do in your controller, let's say what you will do in C# only, you should do you should send to your page this syntax. So how we'll do that? How to do that? So let's go to our controller and start writing our code. Let's go here. Let's write. Let's create a new view. Let's call it action result. Call it data tables student. Okay. This one will return value. No more. Okay. Let's go add the view. So will be same, will be list, will be student. Let's press OK. Okay, here leave this one, leave it. My table, let's do this table. We'll create our own table. Okay, leave this one now. Let's back again to our controller. Second method will be web method. Okay, and will be public action result. Let's call it data table student. This will be JSON. Okay, we'll use JSON to send our data. So first of all, as we said, we need to read data from where this data will come. So student. Okay, call it again model. Call new student list. Okay, my model. I will do same what I did with the last index. I put this 1, 2 here. Okay, so now I need to create same this syntax here. Your data table understand data as this one, JSON. Okay, so I need to create be here ID, let's say, or no need ID, will be name or first name, last name, and city. So let's back here. First of all, I need to declare var data user will object. I need how many line in this string and this list. So back to model dot count. Okay. Why this one? To read my I'll create for loop or for each to read from this list, from this model. For each var, sorry, var, yes, or no, I in model. Okay, again user data j will equal, I should declare j to be here int j equal 0. Good, Mr. J. Equal new, again object. Well, this object will be matrix. What I put inside it. But first I will be ID. What's another ID? And I dot first name, I dot last name, I dot city. This is the important line, j plus plus, again increase j. With that I want to return my JSON. What I want to send to my JSON, I want to send my user data, or data user. I need to allow JSON behavior here. Allow get. That's it. What we create here, we'll send this data now, will be which one? Here. This one. This 8 lines will be presented here and as this one here. Maybe hard to understand it, but just you need to send it as JSON. Let's back to our HTML page. Which one? This one here. Now here we need to add some lines. Let's say first we need to add some CDNs library, and we need, as you remember before, we add a nugget here. We already install DataTable. DataTables, okay. This one what give us CSS code and JavaScript code, this here, to use them in my HTML page. Come on, close all of them. Let's back to this one here. I want to add this lines, this CDN, okay. After that, this all of them should be in my website. So second step, we'll add table, HTML table, we'll give ID, example, let's say, yeah, just that. If you want to change anything, you can change it. You have like T head will be how I need one row. th is important here. What you need to add, what you have there, you have your ID, first name, last name, and city. This ID, first name, and last name. So it should be same order with your code. Was our controller same order here. If you make mistake between them, if you write city, first one will be here when you show different way, not same order. Should be same as exactly how you add in your controller. So now let's put our footer too. If you need to show them up and down, let's say food. Sorry, what's this? My head closed, so it will be like this on me. Food will be one line. Oh, let's copy this one. Put it here. Let's say that's it. That's our HTML table. Now what we need to add, we need to write our JavaScript. Add JavaScript sections. Again, I need to add some library as a reference. What they give me before there. There's all of them from my from Nugget, and just with this CDN2 you need to add it. So write script. First, when you want this working, you need to put you press button, or when when loading your page. If you need when loading your page, just write document dot ready. You need to execute this function. Function or data, this one. Okay, here when I load my page, so I need to write AJAX. Okay, in my AJAX, first I need to add the URL, my method name, I call it here this one. My data type, I will use JSON. Content type, same will be application. Application JSON char test UTF-8. So when succeed this one, what we'll do, we'll do function give me the result from my method. Okay, where will show this result? If you remember, we had before something good. Call it example. This my table. Here my table should be data table. We'll add who data. Inside this data, I want to put result. That's it. Close this one and then close this one. If you want to add more, you can say after this one succeed, you can put again, after that you can put, if you have an error, can give you a message, try again, or something happened with loading, or so let's try to add it here. Let's say error. Sorry, first we need to error. When you have any error, go function. This function will give you a message or alert or anything. What will be? Let's say alert. Okay. Inside this one, error low. Yeah, error loading. Okay. We have here mistakes. This one error. One to be here. This one close it here. Let's execute it. If you have any mistakes, oh sorry, this one will be the sliders, not this one. Function is on. That's it now. Maybe nothing now. JSON application, Java application. Okay, let's execute it and see if we have any mistake. So it will be different. Not an index. Will be this one. That shouldn't. Oh, with this, yeah. So it's empty. Oh. So it's filled loading this one, filled loading this one. So of course we missed this one, we don't have this one. Let me check it and back to you again. So what we forgot just to add this Microsoft jQuery library, AJAX, should be added from our nugget. Because we put a reference here. This one important to run our AJAX code. So just go to nugget and write this one, jQuery. Or just write AJAX, will give you this one and install it. That's it, nothing more than this. And yeah, let's try to run it again now. I will see what's now the difference between this one and traditional way. Okay, it's working now. So as you said here, we have ID, first name, last name, and city. Our good feature here, we can see filtering, you can see search box here, and you can see how many items you need per page. And go down your paging here. What you write, just small piece of code, give you all these features. So what is searching here? How is the searching work? It's work about. So if I use the searching, if I write number one, give me everything's one, and if I write, let's say my name, will give me all filled with my name. So let's write cities. Let's write NY. Will give me just NY. Last name ALH. Let's say nothing. Everything starts with ALH. I think it's easy and simple. You can see two different from traditional way, this one and our way with how to use it with the data table. So maybe next video I'll try to just show you how to use it with the with SQL Server, how to get data from SQL Server. It will be a small video, and see you next video. Bye bye.